How to build your first affiliate marketing funnel in OfferLab. What's up everyone, James here, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly step by step how to set up your very first funnel as an affiliate marketer using OfferLab. So if you haven't already jumped on board with OfferLab, I'll leave a link down below, and if you use the link I leave below this video in the description or in the comments, if you use that specific link, you'll be pre-approved to promote my products when you join the platform, so you can just start promoting stuff right away. You won't have to wait to get approved from other offers. So make sure you use the link to sign up down below if you haven't. If you saw how quickly ClickFunnels exploded, if you know anything about Russell Brunson and how popular his software is, you know you want to get in on this. If you missed the boat with all those people that got in with ClickFunnels early and made a ton of money, now is your chance with OfferLab. This is brand new. So let's dive in and get started. So if you're totally unfamiliar, you probably know this already, but OfferLab is an affiliate marketplace, right? So you can come here and browse hundreds, probably thousands of different offers at this point to promote as an affiliate. And you'll see here they pay different amounts of commission. Here's Brian Tracy giving 15% commission on a $25 product. Here you can earn 70% commission on a $47 product. I've seen products that cost up to $100,000 on here. So you can make a good bit of money promoting stuff if you know what you're doing with affiliate marketing. And even if you don't, that's what makes this system so cool. So check this out. We're just going to get started right away. You're going to come here. Well, actually, before you come here to this tab that says sell, the first thing you'll need to do is find something you want to promote. So if you didn't use my link and you're not already pre-approved and you want to promote my products, you can just search for Profit Passively, and right here I have a checklist that you can sell for $1. It's a checklist that shows people how to get started with affiliate marketing. You can sell it for $1 and keep 100% of the commissions. So that's a really good place to get started, and then you can use what I'm going to show you in this video with this $1 checklist as a tripwire to get people excited about the other offers you want to promote. So here's exactly how that works. Once you're approved for an offer or several offers, you're going to come here to this tab that says sell, and then you're going to click here where it says funnels, the top tab here. So I already have one. This will be blank for you. You'll need to click this button up here that says new funnel. This is super simple. I think you're going to be blown away by how easy this is. So once you get approved for offers, they'll be over here in your offer tab, and you'll see them there. So the first step is to add an offer. So you just click that button, and so here your offers will be here under this other offers tab, but since I'm using my own products, I'll start here with my cheapest product, the $1 affiliate automation checklist. So I click that and it puts the offer there. And then if I wanted to add an order bump, now say this is a $1 product, now say I had a $5 product, I could click this add order bump here and add a product as an order bump. So if I want to get rid of this, let me see. Let's just go back and start a new one. So that's setting up an order bump, but let's say we want to do this again, and I'll show you a better way instead of using an order bump, at least with my offers. So we'll start here, we'll create a new funnel, we'll add an offer. I'm going to come here to my $1 checklist, and then instead of where it says add order bump here, right, because this is before they've checked out, right, so they said, yeah, I want the $1 thing, and then my next product costs $97. It's a full course on AI affiliate automation. So they might not immediately put something in their cart for $1 and then decide to spend $100, right? So what we're going to do is put this here first, so they pay the $1 for the checklist. Then we actually want them to check out, right? We want them to enter their card information and buy the checklist. And now, if you know anything about sales, the very best time to pitch somebody something is immediately after they bought something, because they're excited, they just made a purchase, they're feeling confident, and they have those endorphins going in their brain telling them that they're making good decisions. So now they've bought this $1 checklist, they've checked out, and now we can add another offer. So I'm going to come here and add my $97 offer. So now, right, if we pitched them that $97 product, if we got them on the page for $1, we said, hey, here's the thing for $1. Wait, before you pay for it, do you want to spend $97 more dollars? So like, you know, I came here to spend $1. I don't know if I want to spend $98, but they come here to spend $1. They spend the dollar. They actually get the product, and they realize, hey, that this is, you know, this works. This is I'm on the right track here, and then you can sell them the next product up in the funnel. So here I just have these two products in here, but suppose you wanted to keep this going. Suppose you wanted to add another offer, right? They spent $97. Well, how do you know they're not going to spend $997, right? So we would just click this add offer button, and then I could add, say, if Russell Brunson had a $4,000 product, right? Or Brian Tracy had some coaching program, or he's going to fly out to one of his conferences and it costs a few $1,000, right? We could put that in there. So now this person is going through this funnel. And that's it. Then you just click publish and your link is live. So if I come back here to funnels, let me find which one of these is active. Just created the exact same funnel I already had. So guess you just click publish here, and then it will give you a link. And so you can copy the link there, and then if we want to open up a guest profile here, right, so it doesn't have any of our cookies or tracking information, we paste that in, and here's what that looks like. Pardon my internet being a little bit slow there, but there you go. Now the sales page is coming up. Get the AI affiliate automation blueprint for just $1, and there's a big call to action button there. There's one right above the fold here. So you've got the credit card icons there, the proof, the social proof. You've got the sales letter, and then the value stack, everything you're going to get today, and then another buy button there. So super simple. And then what's going to happen is once they click this buy now button and decide to buy this product, right, they're going to put in their information here in this form and pay. And then what's going to happen is it's going to jump them to the next page in my funnel, which is the sales page for my full course. So again, what's cool about this is you can stack as many of these in here as you want. You could literally have a funnel that is like 10 products long, and someone came in to spend $1, and then suddenly they're spending several $1,000s, and you're making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in commission. And again, you can get started doing this right now. If you use the link right below this video, you'll be pre-approved to promote these two offers already, my $1 checklist and my $97 course. The $1 checklist, I'm going to give you 100% commissions on that, so you can keep all the money you make selling my checklist. And then with the $97 course, I'm going to give you 60% commissions, because let's be honest, I know that selling things is the hardest part, right? Actually driving traffic to an offer is by far the hardest part of selling things online. So I want to make sure that you're compensated for your time, and so that's why I'm giving you more than half of the profit, right? Because you did the hard work of getting my offer in front of people. I appreciate you for that. I want us both to make money, so 60% commissions on the Profit Passively course. And other than that, I hope this helped clarify things for you. I hope this helped show you how simple it is to get started promoting products on OfferLab as an affiliate. If you got value out of this video, be sure to click the thumbs up and leave a comment down below. That helps me massively because it shows the algorithm, that triggers the algorithm to show the video to more people. That it can help, so I'd appreciate that. And if you hit the subscribe button, pretty soon I'll be posting a video showing you how to actually add your own offers to OfferLab so that you can create and sell anything you want using this product. So that will be in the next video, and until then, I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I'll see you in the next one.